In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor Templates. If you're looking to enhance your website with stunning designs and you use Elementor Page Builder on WordPress, you're in the right place. Elementor offers a wide range of templates that can be leveraged to create visually appealing layouts easily and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure that your WordPress site has Elementor installed. If you haven't done this yet, head over to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then select Add New. Type Elementor into the search bar, and once it appears, click Install Now. After a short wait, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that to finalize the installation. With Elementor up and running, we need to navigate to the page where you want to add a template. You can either edit an existing page or create a new one. To start editing a page with Elementor, find the page in your list of pages and click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor editor, a live visual interface where you can see the changes as you make them. Once you're in the Elementor editor, focus on the panel on the left side of the screen. Locate the folder icon, which is in the middle section of the screen, and click on it. This opens up the Elementor library, a treasure trove of templates you can use as the foundation of your page. You'll see a variety of options, including pre-designed pages and blocks. Browse through these templates, and take your time to explore different categories like business, photography, or health, depending on your needs. When you find a template you like, hover over it to preview the layout and design. This will give you a clear idea of how the template will appear on your page. To use the template, simply click on the Insert button. If you see a prompt to connect Elementor to your account, follow the on-screen instructions to do so. This process usually involves just a few clicks and ensures you have access to all available templates. Once connected, the template will be inserted directly into your page. Now that the template is part of your page, you are free to customize it to fit your needs. Change texts, images, and colors to match your brand identity. Elementor makes this easy with its drag and drop interface. Remember, any modifications you make will be instantly visible on the preview, helping ensure it looks just right. To wrap things up, don't forget to click the green Update or Publish button on the bottom of the Elementor panel to save all your changes. Your page is now live with the newly downloaded and customized template. Thank you for joining me today on this walkthrough. Downloading and using Elementor templates can significantly boost your productivity and allow you to create beautiful designs without any coding. Enjoy experimenting with different designs, and happy editing!